Hey guys, it's February 21st, 2015, and we got a blizzard warning going across the state right now. Now, I know this is probably not as deep as some states, but it's getting pretty deep. I personally love the snow because tomorrow I don't have to go to work. Oh my gosh, you guys, it doesn't look that deep from this, but let me tell you, that's my curb right there, and you can't even see my curb. These are my big boulders in front of my house. Oh my gosh, look at this. Feet is buried. Lucky I'm, wearing some dirty shoes I don't care about. There's nobody on the roads. Look at that. It's peaceful out here and quiet. You can hear the snow crushing. Oh, my foot's buried again. Well, the cars aren't too bad yet, but I'm sure they're going to get there pretty soon. If their lights are blinking, you know they're sliding everywhere on their way home. Wow, you guys. I'm so glad I don't have to work tomorrow. I know I already said that. So Colorado Springs for you, y'alls. Love living here because it usually doesn't snow like this, but we are filling up pretty quickly. They said that tomorrow it's supposed to snow pretty heavily. In some places in the mountains, they're saying about 3 feet. Well, you know what I have to say? Boo. Well, I know too much fun's not happening right now, but maybe I'll get something a little bit later for you guys. See if I can get you a little video consolidation of Colorado Springs weather. Appreciate you guys watching my videos. How was the drive, baby?
So scary. It was so scary. I could not see. Oh, whatever.
You could not see? Dang, look at those tracks. Was it that bad? How did you make it home? How did you make it home? Nice. Oh my gosh. It's not that cold out here, but the visibility is crazy dark. I know you can't probably see it in my little cell phone, but the wind is blowing, the snow's coming down really thick. I can't even see anything. Whew. Oh yeah, text message time. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. It's broken. Is the snow really that heavy? Hey, my tramp's broken. Oh, well, that's joy. So it's day 2 of the blizzard. And the snow is pretty deep. Yeah. A lot of businesses are closed, but people are still on the road. Oh my gosh, this is such a mess. Remember my boulders from yesterday? Now you can barely see them. Gosh, I wonder how deep that is. There's my foot. So, what do you think? A foot? Huh. It's still snowing, but it's very, very light. I'm just going to shovel my driveway. Yeah, this is going to take a good few hours. Well, this is the before, and I guess I'll show you the after. Joy. Here goes nothing. Man. Oh my gosh. That's all you get from me, snow. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath. Yeah. So it's Oscar Sunday, and the celebrities in California are enjoying their weather. As for me, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm out of breath. I can't do it no more. So, just wanted to take you guys down on a little walk so you can see the snow and what it's done in this cold storm warning. Let's see if we can get any good pictures of anything. These are the days you just gotta thank God that you got indoor heating. So some areas we've seen up to 2 feet. I think my area is only about 2 feet, but it's enough. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Maybe next time we'll catch a bigger, deeper storm. Who knows? But until then, thank you again. So I just got home, and the best thing about coming home is there she is waiting for me. Hi, baby. Daddy's home. How you doing? How you doing, baby? Aww. Look at that little baby girl. So always waiting for me. Because she loves me so much. So grateful to come home to her. She's so faithful, so loyal. Well, that's why I love her.